Hello. One of the things that excites me about succeeding is the fact that being successful can be a habit. We human beings are creatures of habit. Second nature. You do something consistently over some time, then you don't even have to think about it before you do it. So, if you're going to be successful, you need to learn how to cultivate new habits. You need to learn how to break old habits and cultivate new ones. It's amazing the way it works. When you cultivate a habit, it puts your life on autopilot. So, being successful can be something that you do being on autopilot. Failing consistently is also a function of habit. You need to pay attention to that. So you need to be able to identify what those things are that help you to succeed and the ones that don't help you to succeed. So you change the ones that bring failure. That's the way it works. Now, you do something consistently for 21 days or more, depending on how long you've been doing the wrong thing. It becomes a habit. So I encourage you to not just focus on breaking the habit, because that keeps your focus on the negative thing. Replace the habit. That works better. So instead of doing this, I'm going to do that. That's the way it works. So just choose one habit today. Like for me, do it now. I broke procrastination. Do it now. I still tell myself, do it now, do it now, do it now. Cultivate one new habit today. You are on your way to success. You will succeed.